Good morning to everybody. My name is K. Madhu. I am pursuing BTech second year in Srinivas Ramanujan Institute of Technology in Anandapur. Today topic understanding mean squared error. Subject name వచ్చేసి machine learning. Mean squared error is one of the most widely used metrics for measuring the accuracy of a model, especially in regression tasks. It helps quantify the differences between the predicted values and the actual values, providing insight into the model's performance. The formula of MSC: number of data points in the data sets, actual values, true values for the data point, predicted values, forecasted values for the data points. The summations represent the sum of squared difference between the actual and predicted values across all data points. Step by step calculation of MSC. First, the errors. First, each data point subtract the predicted values from the actual values. Get the residual or error. Square the errors. The avoid negative errors and the emphasize large errors and to empathize larger errors more. Square each errors. Sum of squared errors. Add up all the squared errors for each data point. Properties of MSC. Non-negative values. Since the errors are squared, MSC can never be negative. It is either or 0 or positive. Differentiable. MSC is a smooth and continuous functions, making it easy to differentiate. This property is particularly useful in optimization algorithms like gradient descent, which are used to minimize the MSC during model training. Fourth one, unit. The unit of MSC are the square of units of the grade variable. For instance, the target variable it is meters. The MSC will be in square meters. This can sometimes make MSC difficult to interpret directly, but it's often used in model training because of its mathematical properties. Bias variance trade-off. The lower MSC means better model predictions, but it's important to balance bias error due to overly simple models and variance error due to overly complex models. Models with very low MSC may overfit to training data, while a model with high MSC may underfit. Interpretation of MSC. Lower MSC indicates that the model's predictions are very close to the actual values, meaning of the model is accurate and fits the data well. Higher MSC indicates a poor fit between the predicted and actual values. The model's predictions are not accurate. However, one limited of MSC is that it does not provide an easy interpretable value. Since the unit is squared, for better interpretability, root mean squared error is often used, which is simply the square root of MSC. Advantages: easy to compute. MSC is simple and computationally efficient. Differentiable, useful for optimization algorithms like gradient descents. Empathize larger errors. Large errors are penalized more heavily, which helps avoid bad more fits. Disadvantages: sensitivity to outliers. Large errors can disproportionately offset of MSC, leading to a model that is over focused, reducing large errors. Not interpretable in original unit. Since MSC in square unit, it can be harder to interpret directly, especially if units the target variance are important. Alternatives to MSC. Mean absolute error. Mean measures the average of the absolute differences between predicted and actual values, providing a more interpretable matrix that is less sensitive to outliers. Root mean squared error. MSC RMSE is simple the square root of MSC, bringing the matrix back to the original units, making it more interpretable. Harbor losses. Combines the properties of MSE and MAE and is less sensitive to outliers that MSE is often used when there are many outliers. Conclusion: mean squared error is a powerful and widely used matrix for evaluating regressions models. It helps quantity how fair of predictions are from actual values, penalizing larger errors more heavily. However, it's important to consider its sensitivity, outliers, and the fact and its units are squared, making it less intuitive in some contexts. Indicates that the model predictions are very close to the actual values, meaning the model is accurate and fits and data well. Indicates a poor fit between the predicted and actual values. The model's predictions are not accurate. However, one limitations of MSC that is does not provide an easily interpretable value since the unit is squared. For better interpretability, root mean square error RMSE is obtained using simply square root of MSE. Sensitivity: large errors can disproportionately affect MSE, leading to a model that is overly focused or reducing large errors. Since MSE in squad units, it can be harder interpreted directly, especially if the units of the target variable are important. The average of the absolute differences between predicted and actual values providing a more interpretable matrix that is less sensitive to outliers. Combines the properties of MSC and MA and less sensitive outliers than MSC. It is often when there are many outliers. Thank you.